morning, everybody. It is VEDA day 16, and yesterday when I did VEDA 15, I think that I said yesterday was VEDA 13. No, it was not. Yesterday, the day before yesterday was VEDA 14, so to let you know how my mind has been lately. I had some, I don't want to say important because they weren't dire, but I had some appointments. They got shuffled around. I'm a kind of person that I just want to get things done. I don't like to sit around. I want it done. I want it off my brain, and I haven't been able to do that with a lot of things. And so this morning I decided to hit the ground running and try to accomplish as much as I possibly can. I have been very tired lately, and I think that's due to the weather. We had like 80-degree weather, and now the heat's back on. It was bitter cold last night. I had to turn the heat up, and here we are. I feel like we went from spring to winter. I think we might be skipping summer this year. I don't know. But anyways, I put a couple chickens in the oven. I'm going to actually debone those later today and make 2 batches of chicken salad because Ronnie likes chicken salad without all the nooks and crannies in it. And he likes my dressing, but I like chicken salad with the grapes and the nuts and the the celery and my dressing. I like all the nooks and crannies. So I make 2 separate things. And if he decides he doesn't want his, I can add my nooks and crannies to his and eat it too. I love my chicken salad. I don't even know what it is. Like, I will eat it and then I'll be like, oh, I'm so full. And an hour later, I'm like, oh, that chicken salad sounds so good. That's how good it is to me. Might not be that way for you guys, but it is that way for me. Once again, Ronnie and I could not get through an entire gallon of milk. I even bought a half a gallon and we did not even put a dent in it. I think is weird because when his parents lived with us, and I realized that him and his dad and his mom are the milk drinkers. It wasn't us. So I had to take, every bit of a half a gallon except for maybe that much, and I'm making another thing of Grandma's rice pudding from scratch. I'm kind of embarrassed to show you guys this, but I have dishes to wash this morning. I've been a very bad homemaker, but I have been so tired. Like, I cannot, first of all, let me say this. I have had the worst hand pain. I don't know what's going on with the hand pain, but I do need to get into the doctor's office because I have been getting migraines and hand pain. I think I'm falling apart. Honestly, I think I'm getting old and I'm falling apart. I hope that's not the case. But anyways, I'm going to quit blabbing, get to these dishes behind me because they need to be scrubbed. I have to leave here at 10 today, and it is about 20 after 7, so I'm going to get to work. Dishes are washed. Wasn't too bad. I mean, I thought it was going to be a lot worse, but it wasn't too bad. Let's open this up and see what they look like. Oh, there they are. Oh my gosh, my house smells really, really good. But those are for dinner. But I'm ahead of the game. There is my pudding. Sorry about the shadow. I am dressed and ready for my meeting this morning. And yeah, I'm ready. I always get a little bit of anxiety before I go into a new office, and it's not necessary. I'm making this meeting out to be something way more than it is, and I just need to go get it done and put it under my belt for the day, and things will fall into place like they ought to be. I know I excessively worry about too many things. It's just ridiculous. But let it go. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to have a sneak bowl of my rice pudding before I have to leave. It always comforts me.
not just fish swimming upriver. These fish undertake aquatic.
Hello. I am sweating bullets, guys. Sweating. I just got home just in time to go swimming with him. I wasn't gonna go, and now I am gonna go. I got up at 6. I cleaned all downstairs. I do have a couple loads of laundry and stuff like that, but I will get to it when I go home. Today I'm gonna go swimming with my husband and spend some time with him. I've got to find a scrunchie for my hair because I never get my hair wet at the pool. Got a new baby one. Absolutely love it. It is so cute. The pool will probably absolutely destroy it, but that's okay. That's why we have Gabriels. Anyhow, I'm going to find me a t-shirt and grab me a water downstairs and just put on some slip-on shoes, and it'll be time to get on the bus. Made it to the gym. Just got off the bus.
We did. We were doing wood yesterday.
Here I am, standing in front of the mirror.
We're going to wear off the wood in the water.
We are in our usual spot of vlogging where Ronnie is getting naked and I'm watching.
Yeah, she wanted to see me. She said, no, I didn't. I said, sure you did.
No, I don't. Anyways, we're getting ready to get in the pool and we're going to have a good time. I'm going to dunk him a few times, though, because he is being rowdy. I am home. I am freezing to death. I don't know why I'm so cold, but I am freezing. Probably because my clothes are a little damp. It's not cold outside, but it's not hot either, and I had to wait an hour and a half for the bus. Yep, and I wasn't very happy about that, but we finally got brought home, and we canceled the broadcast for tonight because we got home so late. It is a little after 5 o'clock. We left here at noon today, about 1:45, something like that. So we was at the gym from, I want to say we got there about noon, right on the dot, maybe 10 after, and we did not get picked up from the bus stop until 4:30. So I'm cold and I'm got coffee brewing.
Don't you worry, honey. Got you plenty of good hot water. And
You did?
oh, I thought of you, baby.
I'm sitting here vlogging.
Yeah. But you know what?
He saved me some hot water so I can get
we
warmed
had a good
up.
day. It's just been a long one, but
It was real good.
it was good.
You scared me to death coming down those stairs.
Well, I was up there listening to you.
Well, we had a really good day today, but, you know, when you have to wait for the bus and you anticipate on doing things, it just makes for a really long day. But I'm waiting for my coffee to brew. I thought I turned it on, and I went in there and checked it, and here I didn't even turn it on. So I've been sitting here freezing to death waiting for our coffee. I didn't even turn it on.
Oh, I'm smelling it a little bit now.
Yeah, it's brewing. Well, I am going to say good night. I am tired. Ronnie said, I did my job. I kept you busy today.
Well, I figured since she worked me yesterday, I can keep her busy today.
Well, anyhow, I got my bath, and I had plenty of hot water. It was so good to get all warmed up. And then I came down here, and I pulled all the chicken off of my 2 chickens you seen me bake this morning. And we made some chicken salad, and that is what we had for dinner tonight. And now we're going to spend a very romantic evening in Southport. Right?
That's right. Going to Southport, Texas. Gonna watch a little more J.
We're gonna watch some more Dallas. We're real exciting folks. This weather is crazy. They are saying that next week we could get snow.
So it's kind of ironic. 80 degrees one week, and right now we're down.
We had the air conditioner on.
Yeah. Well,
And now we're running our heat. So, yeah.
So, I mean, we went from 80 to 50, I guess in the 50s.
Well, it's supposed to be 42 degrees tonight.
Well, I can feel it getting there.
Yeah, the heat is on, though, and it's running, so that's good. Well, anyways, I do want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's just a regular day in the life video for VEDA. I'm vlogging every day of April, so be sure to tune in tomorrow. And this is VEDA Day 16. So I have put out 16 videos so far. And so I'm going to be thinking up what to video for tomorrow, but I'm sure I can come up with something. I'm getting pretty good at this. But if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and leave me a comment down below, because I love hearing from you guys, and give me a big thumbs up that you enjoy these videos, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Good night, guys.
Good night.